Big news in the world of autonomous vehicles, two industry giants are teaming up, Toyota and Waymo.
Yeah, that's right. Toyota, the global auto sales leader, is partnering with Waymo, Google's self-driving car subsidiary. The collaboration is still in its early days, but it's already turning heads.
They've announced plans to develop a new autonomous vehicle platform. The goal: to shape the future of personal vehicle ownership by combining Toyota's manufacturing prowess with Waymo's cutting-edge robotaxi tech.
While details are still scarce, this partnership could signal a major leap toward mass-producing self-driving cars. Given Toyota's scale, it's a pretty safe bet they're aiming for volume.
Waymo's no stranger to automotive collaborations either. In the past, they've worked with Hyundai, Daimler, Fiat Chrysler, and Jaguar Land Rover. In fact, the current Waymo Robotaxi runs on the Jaguar I-Pace EV and even snagged the 2025 Motor Trend Best Tech Award in the Robotaxi category.
Earlier generations used Chrysler Pacifica minivans, showing just how versatile Waymo's tech can be. But what about Toyota's philosophy?
At the Ride AI conference this month, Toyota's Research Institute emphasized using autonomous tech as more of a driver assist or teaching tool, not a full replacement, at least not yet. That could hint at what they'll roll out first.
Meanwhile, Waymo's expanding fast. Their robotaxi service is already up and running in Los Angeles, Austin, Phoenix, and the San Francisco Bay Area. They're clocking in over 250,000 rides per week.
And when it comes to safety, Waymo says its vehicles are involved in 81% fewer injury-causing crashes compared to human drivers. That's a stat that'll be hard for any human to beat.
So stay tuned. This Toyota-Waymo partnership could shape the next chapter of mobility as we know it.